All right, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, depending on where you are. I'm going to do the recap today. It was a little bit actually later that I was expecting, just because I, traded something that required a little bit of patience.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
So I came actually late in the morning. So Tesla had a strong open and then really market sold off. And I tried to catch a bounce from Tesla from the red to green. And I got stopped out a few times on that. But eventually we got this move from 263 all the way up to 267. I'm going to actually walk you through. Maybe 2-minute chart would be a little bit better in that case. So we had this strong level of 260 on Tesla. As sold off, the market really bounced back, with the heavy squeeze popped up, and I thought that really after this strong move is going to go for a red to green. This is the previous day close, and we can actually make some profit on that. It came below the VWAP and lost the moving averages, and I got stopped out. And then it came down, it held again a little bit. I went long again this time and see maybe this can go back, and dropped, and I got stopped out. So that's the two trades that I did so far, and unfortunately with the loss on both of them. So that was the loss that we had. I don't blame myself in this one because the market was strong. This squeeze was really nice, and I really hope that we can continue go over to 265. But again, maybe this ad was a little bit too much, and I got stopped out. And it came back up, and I said, I'm going to take a trade one more time on it. It did drop, they added more, and now, so this is my first entry, this is my second entry. Again, we already bounced back, and I had this conviction that it might go up. Came up, I partialed a little bit at the break even, and after that, came up with this squeeze, and then I added to my position. I said, okay, this is going to be a red to green. Definitely, we're going to go to 267. So now I have this heavy position on that, and after that, as you see, it went all the way up to the red. I didn't get filled, came down, I partialed a little bit, and then we continue to move up all the way to red to green, partialed out, and all the way down to here to 66.50 partial out, which I exited all of my position. So as you see on a 1-minute chart is a little bit it seems that it might go actually higher because the market really bounced back. So on a 1-minute chart, if you want to see here, after this heavy squeeze, I thought that it's going to go up. It really didn't. I stopped out, and I did it one more time, 2 loss, but eventually this entry this 3 add on that really turned out to be the day profitable for me. As you see here on a 5-minute chart, now we're just going, I think this is going to continue moving up. So the day ended for me for Tesla very profitable, and TQQ was a loss that I need to actually go over that because I tried to catch this bounce on TQQ when the market sold off, and really didn't work out for me. So the market really at the pre-market sold off. And during the market open, I also really sold off all the way around 11, and then it started the bounce. I tried to catch this bounce through to QQ, and again, it was very try to bounce a couple of times because it did a really nice bounce. I thought that it's gonna go to the VWAP, and I got stopped out a few times on that, and it turned out to be a negative day on that for me. So as you see here, I went long, I got stopped out, came down, popped back up, I went long again, and then really dropped on me really bad. I went long again here, so 3 times, and eventually I got stopped out. And then turned out to be really nice triple bottom here. So there turned out to be this level really held. And as you see, eventually market continued going higher and never really tested the low of the day and just going up. But unfortunately, I really didn't profit on that, and just Tesla was pretty good for me. And so what else did I trade? So that was pretty much the TQQ and Tesla. That was pretty much the only trades that I did. I mean, Tesla, I made the losses back. That's why I got out, because I really wanted to clean the day. And then TQQ turned out to be with a $6,000 loss on those couple of scalps that we had. And that's how the market is sometimes. And to be honest with you, actually, I came out a little bit late, and that's why I actually got how do I say? That's why I missed a lot of great opportunities on that. But overall, that was a good day, and I still have some JEPQ and SSO. And on the other accounts, I also have some SSO holding and see if they can get the market bounce. Ardi and I are going to publish some interesting results about using SSO and JEPQ for your portfolio for a long term. We did some coding together. It was really, really nice, and I'm actually very interested to see how we can publish that paper. Other than that, so thank you so much, guys. So the market, S&P 500. Let's see what the market is doing. So SPY on the daily chart hasn't done in the last 3 months. We really hasn't done anything. So it really bounces back, and see today turned out to be a doji day. So maybe we go up to 450, 460. I mentioned everybody that at 460 I'm going to buy a Lamborghini. If S&P 500 goes to 460, I'm going to buy a Lamborghini. So let's see if Andrew does that. So Lamborghini at S&P 500 460. Urus is Lamborghini Urus is my favorite car. If we get to 460, I'm going to buy a Lamborghini. So wish me luck. Let's either be in the next couple of months or maybe never. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.